Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to finally be decorating for Christmas. I have been so excited about this year's new holiday decor, and I'm going to share it with you guys in today's entryway console and sofa table styling video. We're going to go over numerous different ways and ideas on how to style your console table, but mainly your sofa table. I find there's actually not a lot of information out there on how to do it, and because it's a sofa table, it is slightly different. So we're going to dive into that, and today's video is also super simple. We're keeping things neutral and festive, and I hope that this gives you so many decorating ideas. Please use what you have, and of course I will do my best to link everything that I can down below. Everything that I'm using in today's video is either from Hobby Lobby, Target, or from my mom, and so everything is super affordable. And again, I hope you guys get tons of decorating ideas for Christmas this year. Let's go ahead and jump right in. For look number one, I am starting off with the Hearth and Hand bells from Target, just to add that festive touch. A lot of this decor that I am using today was actually made by my mom, so it holds a lot of sentimental value, including this sign. I'm gonna add these two trees from Hobby Lobby. I love using the two-tone. I think it just adds a little bit of contrast. And then in the center, I am adding the Minimalist of Coffee Table book, a tree, and then two reindeer. All of these were made from my mom as well. Lastly, on the right side of the sofa table, I am adding this beautiful Norfolk tree along with this Merry Christmas sign and finishing it off with a reindeer. To encourage you to use what you have for these. For instance, if you have some reindeer, go ahead and use yours rather than going and getting the exact ones that I have. Of course, if you want something specific, I can have it linked down below. For look number two, I am using the viral wicker vase from Hobby Lobby with some cedar stems. I absolutely love the texture that this brings to the space. And then I recently got that advent calendar from HomeSense. It was $10 and it is one of my favorite styling books. In the middle, I am adding a candle as well as a snuffer with a little tip that I shared in a recent video to pull up your stems and use them for just that sense of greenery. Adding that to the center there, and then as you can see on the end, I have the mirror, a tree, and a reindeer for yet another simple look. For look number three, I am using my Hobby Lobby garland. I love this garland. If you happen to miss it, I highly recommend waiting for next year and getting it. It is so easy to work with. So we are just laying this on top of the console table, and then we are going to add some bells to the side. You could also add a bow if you wanted to add that extra pop, but we're gonna leave it simple. Adding the wicker vase for some height and contrast and just that earthy vibe. And that completes look number three. I thought that everything was kind of blending together, so to add a little bit of juxtaposition, I decided to take out this earthy organic vase and create more of a contrast using the Norfolk with the black vase, and I love the statement this gives. For look number five, we are using the bells again from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. Now, this isn't actually practical for my family because we do use these drawers, but it kind of gives you an idea of how you can add that festive touch. I'm adding the potted tree from Hobby Lobby to add some height, as well as these two books styled standing upright. In the center, we're adding the Minimalista book, and then we are adding this reindeer crossing sign that was made from my mom, as well as the reindeer. On the far right of the side, we are using my favorite coffee table book, the Advent Calendar. Honestly, I love the green color. It just is so beautiful. And we are going to top it with the two trees from Hobby Lobby, and that completes this look. You'll notice a lot of these are super simple and just add that beautiful festive touch without going totally crazy. For look number 6, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Create coffee table book, and back with the Hobby Lobby tree. I actually really like these trees. They are so realistic. I don't like the pots, so if I had a vase to put it in, I definitely would have, but I don't. So we're using what we have this year. I added that little tree as well, and then moving into the middle, adding a candle on top of the coffee table book, a snuffer, which is always a must when styling beside a candle. It is super pretty and practical. Lastly, we are adding more books, more trees, and I absolutely adore this look. For look number 7, we are styling the sofa table with this bold statement piece with the Norfolk stem. We are using the coffee table books in the center to elevate and add some height and to ground the trees. We are keeping this one really simple and just adding that green tree. And then on the other side, we are adding these beautiful tree taper candles. These were the viral ones from Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down below, as I really think they add that festive touch. You guys enjoyed today's simple holiday styling for our console, entryway, and sofa table. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with a friend. Honestly, any engagement is greatly appreciated. The algorithm is seriously hating me right now, so I would appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please join our growing YouTube family. We would absolutely love to have you here. And I will see you guys next week, where I am actually sharing my very first Christmas decorate this year. Bye.